You know, your coat's been looking shabby. I think we should groom it. Hold still. Ugh, what does that taste? Did I do it wrong? I'm just messing. It's a fake tongue. You really thought? No way.
You're perfect, kitty. I could hug you all day. You're soft and cuddly. Look at my dress! There's fur everywhere! Yuck! I need to make a call. I need your help. This is the worst.
You called? This won't do. I have just the thing. This little gadget will collect all the fur. There won't be a hair left behind. Trust me, I've done this before.
Wow, that's amazing!
That's one hairy cat.
Gross! Get it away from me.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
I made this for you.
Whoa! You're a genius! You've earned this. Thanks!
Don't thank me. Thank the gadget.
You're just so beautiful. I mean, look at you. You're just like me, but with more hair. Oh, masseuse.
Yes, ma'am?
I'm feeling a little tense.
Oh, money. My favorite. Let's bust that stress.
I'm looking forward to this. Oh, that's hitting the spot.
Phew, this is tough.
That feels much better. Oh, one more thing.
Huh?
You forgot the cat.
I did what now?
No.
Well, if you put it like that, it'd be a pleasure. How hard can it be? How does that feel? Pretty good, huh? Hold on. Someone's calling me. Sorry, I'm busy giving a back rub to a cat. Sorry, I've gotta go. See ya.
But, I want a refund.
I thought you might say that.
Come on, hand it over.
But I like money. Wait, I might have something for you.
Huh? What's this? Wait a second. Look at it go. This is just what I need. Shall we give it a go? That looks so good. I might try it out later. Are you nice and relaxed? You deserve the best. Oh hey, Emily from 123 Go here. This cat massager is perfect. Don't miss out. Order yours now. Your cat will be feline great. And that's paw-some.
Ugh, those jokes were awful. But that cat massager looks pretty sweet. We should totally get it. Stay right there. I need to raid my secret money supply. Ah, here it is. But I'm gonna need more. Cha-ching! I know there's more around here. Out you come. I should probably buy a piggy bank, but this feels like a better system. I think that's it all. How much have we got? Not a lot. Sorry, cat. No massager for you. Oh, I have an idea. I'll be right back. Check this out. Your very own massage device. You're gonna love it. It's the latest technology. The future is finally here. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's my hand. It's better than any gadget. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Look, I've got another one right here. Ah.
Looking good. Now I'll brush my hair. A quick dab of my face. Don't worry, it won't take long. There, that's better. I don't need this anymore. Which bag should I take? Oh, this looks cute. I'm not sure now. No, I think I'll pass. I've always liked this one. But I used it last week. Oh, I know. This is the one. It's chic and stylish. It's got enough space for all my things. I'll need to pack it. I'll definitely need money. That can go in. What else? You can never have enough gold. Ooh, that's heavy. And now the most important thing. I can't forget about you. Make yourself comfortable. It's a room with a view. I think we're ready. Oh, butler. We're about to go.
Yes, ma'am? Oh, of course, ma'am. I don't get paid enough for this. Let's get it over with.
Aw, you look so adorable.
I suppose I better pack my bag. I can only take the essentials. Let's see. I'll need this. Ah, this cute panda toy. That's coming with me. And last but not least, my best friend. Get in the bag. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. Let's zip you up. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Stay right there. I won't be long. I almost left your pillow. Huh? Wasn't there a cat in that bag? Is this a magic backpack? Ugh, there's a hole in the side. Think you can escape? Get over here. We can't use that backpack again. Oh, I know. I should have thought of this earlier. Stick your head out here. This is cozy. Just don't poop. Hey, stop it! Come back! That tickles. No, don't go around there. I mean it. Okay, maybe that was a bad idea. Hold on. I've got it. I can use that bowl. Well, half of it. This'll do the trick. What am I waiting for? Let's do this. I'll lay the backpack on a flat surface. I'll place the bowl here. Then I'll draw around it. I've made smaller circles at the bottom of the bag. Now I'll cut them out. I just need to follow the outline. It shouldn't be too hard. Next, I need a glue gun. I'll apply glue around the edge of the hole. I've cut a circle from yellow felt. I've made small triangles all the way around. I'll do that with the other circles. Now I need the bowl. I'll place that inside the backpack. I need to secure it. I'll fold the little triangles back. I'll add a dab of glue and stick it to the bowl. I'll go around each triangle, gluing them in place. Now I'll make 2 yellow triangles. They can go right here. That's it. It looks great. You'll be traveling in style. What do you think? I know you'll love it. You'll be able to see everything. Aw, it's amazing! You look great! Let's go! Seriously, how much do you weigh? I need to start working out.
We love our pets and would do anything for them. What kind of pet do you have? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.
Look, kitty! Say hello to your new home.
Hi. Is that a cat? I can't believe it! Let me hold her! Oh, you're so cute!
Seriously? That's enough. That's actually my cat. Hey!
Move out of the way, people! New driver coming through!
This is gonna be hotter than I thought. Hey!
You like that? Wee!
Stop it!
Oh!
Give me my cat!
Okay.
You stink! You need a bath.
Yeah.
I'm not getting wet, am I?
The smell is so good!
Seriously, Chloe?
Oops, wrong target. What do you think, kitty?
What's happening? Whoa!
Get ready for some baths.
Yeah, that's the stuff.
This kitty is about to get clean.
Definitely!
Ears first.
Does that tickle?
Look at these little toe beans. So adorable.
Wow, that's great. Keep doing that.
Whoa, that looks fun!
She's gonna love it.
Wow, yeah, don't stop that. I'm slipping forever.
Look who's nice and clean. You're such a perfect kitty. Chloe? What are you doing?
Just tasting it. It works. You thirsty plants! Something smells bad. Din din din. Who would do such a thing? Looks like the work of a kitty. You have something to say for yourself. Who's gonna clean this?
Please don't be mad. I'm just a baby.
Those eyes. I can stay mad at those. Just this once.
I love you so much, Chloe.
I love you too, kitty. I'll clean it myself. Come here. I'll never get mad again. Let's try something. Say hello to your litter box. See? Now come on. Do your business.
What's this? The bitch? No way.
She won't do it. I know. I'd only do this for my kitty. So gross. No, it's too warm. Why I didn't wear gloves for this? Bleh. Now you know what to do. See? Get in. So much for that.
Sorry, Chloe, do you have a… Am I interrupting? There's something very wrong with this picture.
See? That's how you… Oh.
I don't know what to say.
Stella? Great. It's okay, kitty. Anything for that nose.
Hurry, let's go.
Do I have to?
Come quick, the bus is leaving.
Oh, man.
You're really gonna leave me here all alone?
No. What are we gonna do? Chloe?
Use this. It's a camera.
Give me that thing. It's already on? Here you go, kitty.
Are you sure about this?
We'll be watching you from school. Perfect. Bye.
See ya, be a good girl.
Humans have way too much stuff! Ow, so snuggly! Let's send some emails! Ow, is this YouTube? It's my kind of entertainment! I wonder how my buddy's doing! Hey, long time no meow!
What exploded in here? Get over here! Well, this is simply unacceptable. Very naughty.
Where did she go?
Oh no!
Over there.
She's too fast! Naughty cat! Well, we need to clean this mess.
Ow, oh, that's nice!
Stella, you're not gonna believe this. Kittens are trending on TikTok.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, kitty.
Do I need to be awake for this meow?
Two girls, one cat are taking social media by storm. Just look at this.
It's all about cats. Cats, cats. These fingers are good. Huh, I think you're hungry. Do you like milk, little lady?
I don't know about this!
Why won't you eat? Picky, are we? I have an idea. Any hungry cats in here? I have you covered.
Wow! Mommy! Is that really you?
It's as close as I'm gonna get. Lunch is served.
Wow! This stuff isn't half bad! I'm into it!
This is totally working!
Hey, where's all the milk? Oh, never mind. You need some?
It's your turn. Enjoy. Good girl. I've been waiting for this episode.
Oh no, breaking news?
Breaking news! Today we're talking about a woman who found her lost cat on TikTok.
Could it be?
No way.
Please tell your story.
I just want to find my cat. Bring her back to me. She was wearing a hat and dancing, but she belongs with me.
If you have any information about this cat, please call this number.
Is that the same cat?
Should we?
That's
Our cat!
What's with the racket?
We need to call her.
I don't want to. She's mine.
But we have to.
I hate you sometimes.
That's the door.
Already?
Come on. Coming. You have my cat.
So scary.
It's just the glare. See? Hello, it's me from the news.
Okay, take care of her. She loves cuddles.
Sure.
She's very small, very cute.
Time to let go now. Thank you.
Wait, I can't.
Was that so hard?
Our baby kitty's gone forever.
What?
All her stuff. It's just too sad. I'm so depressed.
Me too.
The phone. Who is it? The cat lady? What on earth?
You are mine now, kitty. Put on a smile. You're gonna make me very popular. Now dance. Dance. Hello. Open up. I wasn't expecting anyone. I'll be right back. Hello, you won the lottery, the jackpot, baby! You're gonna be rich! Wow, so exciting! You just need to sign this. That's it.
I'm coming for you, kitty. It's time to come home.
Help me!
Let's get out of here.
And all done. Expect your money into business days. 2 days? So annoying. What is this? They took the cat. I'll be broke and unpopular forever. Why me?
Thanks for saving me, fam!
You're stuck with us forever. This is your home.
Yes.
Home is where the cat treats